This video will demonstrate the proper installation of the Dresser 502 service head adapter. The 502 has been chosen to replace the inner tight basement tee, which is no longer available. Before beginning the work, make sure you are wearing all the proper PPE for the job: hard hat, safety glasses with side shields, work gloves, and safety shoes. For demonstration purposes, this video was shot at the Millbury Learning and Development Facility in our own CMS lab. Remove the tee and the riser in the building. Use 2 wrenches because the old pipe through the wall could be paper thin and razor sharp. If you twist the pipe in the wall, you could damage the new plastic while it is pushed through the old steel pipe. Use proper wrenching leverage to avoid a soft tissue injury. Push the new plastic pipe through. Inspect the remaining pipe for scratches or any damage that may have occurred while pushing the plastic through the old steel pipe. On a side note, it is okay to use your bare hand to check for any scratches or gouges on the plastic pipe. Cut off the leading 8 inches of the new pipe. Cut the pipe square. Do not chamfer. The plastic shall be scratch-free for at least 4 inches from the end. Open the bag and remove the fitting. Install the correct stiffener. The provided instruction sheet will have this information. In this case, the correct stiffener is gold colored. Push the stiffener into the end of the plastic pipe until the flange portion of the stiffener is flush with the end of the pipe. It is important to install the service head adapter in the cellar before you make your connection to the main or curb cot. This will ensure you will have play in the pipe when you push the fitting into place to connect the new fitting to the old pipe. It is not necessary to take the fitting apart, but if you do, you must make sure each piece goes back to exact original order. Refer to the instruction sheet for this information. Open the gap between the fitting body and fitting nut to a distance of 1/4 to 5/16 inch. This allows the plastic and stiffener to easily push through the fitting. Hold the plastic with one hand while rotating and pushing the fitting with the other hand until the stiffener comes in contact with the stop on the end of the fitting. You may hear the sound of the stiffener coming into contact with the stop when completely inserted. You will also see the inside of the stiffener at the stop position on the fitting. Tighten the fitting slightly to prevent the pipe from moving in the fitting. Apply pipe dope to the old service pipe threads. This will prevent migration of gas in the event of a leak entering the old pipe. Push the fitting and tighten the adapter nut to the old pipe, allowing the body to turn freely. Again, use 2 wrenches to avoid twisting the old pipe in the wall. Hold the nut with a pipe wrench and tighten the fitting body until it comes into contact with the nut and can no longer be turned. When this occurs and the stiffener can be seen at the fitting stop, you have properly connected the service head to the old pipe. Connect your tee, plug, and riser valve in the basement. Prepare the service for your ear test. During the ear test, you can soap your fittings. After the ear test, complete the tie-in at the main and soap test your tie-in fittings. Let's review the major steps. Push the new plastic through. Cut off the leading 8 inches. Inspect pipe for scratches. Cut the pipe square and install the stiffener. Install the Dresser 502 fitting. Ear test the entire service. Tie in at the main.